In this video, we are going to see about current affairs 28 October 2020. Which day is observed as the World Day for Audiovisual Heritage? 27th October. The World Day for Audiovisual Heritage is held every year on 27th October. Next question. Indian origin Vaval Ram Kalwan has been appointed as the president of which country? Answer is Seychelles. Indian origin Vaval Ram Kalwan has been elected as the president of Seychelles. Seychelles has elected an opposition candidate as president for the first time since 1977. Next question. Which among the following corporations has topped the Forbes list of World's Best Employer 2020? Answer is Samsung. South Korea-based electronics conglomerate Samsung Electronics has topped the list of World's Best Employer 2020 published by Forbes. Next question. Every year, India observes the Vigilance Awareness Week. The week is observed as the tribute to which leader? Answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The Vigilance Awareness Week 2020 is being celebrated from 27th October to 2nd November 2020. This is observed every year by the Central Vigilance Commission during the week in which the birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel 31st October it falls. Next question. Which Indian company has topped the India list of Forbes World's Best Employer 2020? Answer is HCL Technologies. From India, HCL Technologies is top industry in the list. It is placed at 30th position globally. Next question. What is the theme of Vigilance Awareness Week 2020? Answer is Vigilant India, Prosperous India. The theme for 2020 Vigilance Awareness Week is Vigilant India, Prosperous India. Satak Bharat, Samrit Bharat. Next question. Which of the following states has topped in the Anemia Mukt Bharat Index among 29 states in the country? Answer is Haryana. Haryana state has the best Anemia Mukt Bharat Index with 46.7 among 29 states in the country. Next question. The NATO alliance has planned to set up a new space center in which of the following countries to counter rising Russian and Chinese threat? Answer is Germany. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization, that is NATO alliance, plans to build a headquarters for space operations at its air base in Ramstein in Germany to counter a rising Russian and Chinese threat. Next question. Who among the following has launched the e-Dardi Geo portal? Answer is Amit Shah. Union Housing and Urban Affairs Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has launched the e-Dardi Geo portal to integrate legacy drawings such as maps and lease plans in the management information system and make its geographic information system, that is GIS, enabled. Next question. Who among the following has been appointed as the chairman of the Federation of Indian Fantasy Sports? Answer is Bimal Jalka. Federation of Indian Fantasy Sports has announced the appointment of Bimal Jalka as its chair. Next question. Famous Gujarati film musician, singer and former parliamentarian from Patna dash passed away? Answer is Mahesh Kanodia. Famous Gujarati film musician, singer and former parliamentarian Mahesh Kanodia passed away. Next question. Who among the following has won the third term as the President of Kenya by winning the 2020 presidential election? Alpha Conde. Answer. Alpha Conde, the incumbent president of Kenya and leader of Rally of the Kenyan people. Next question. Name the India's Under-19 World Cup 2008 winning team player who announced his retirement from all forms of domestic cricket. Answer is Danmay Manoj Srivastava. Danmay Manoj Srivastava, who was the part of India's Under-19 World Cup winning team in 2008, announced his retirement from all forms of domestic cricket. Next question. What is the theme of World Day for Audiovisual Heritage 2020? Answer is Your Window to the World. The theme of the World Day for Audiovisual Heritage 2020 is Your Window to the World. Next question. DAS and National Highways Authority of India, that is NHAI, signed a Memorandum of Understanding to share expertise for the betterment of highway infrastructure. Answer is IIT Jodhpur, Indian Institute of Technology Jodhpur and National Highways Authority of India signed a Memorandum of Understanding to share expertise for the betterment of highway infrastructure. Thank you.